lunch with me from Burger King. And yeah, I got the window down because if I had a cone, the air gonna be blowing loud. But yeah, we got us some Burger King burger. I haven't ate Burger King in a minute. This is Texas Double. Yeah, Texas Double something. I'm coming. This is what it look like. Oh my god, don't they look good? That looks really good. Let's turn around. It looks juicy. It comes with bacon on there. It has bacon on there. Onions, tomato, pickles. That's good. That's good. Everything is fresh. I did get some extra mayo. And the people was nice. I went on the inside. On Burger King, you did a good job. You did a good job. Look at that. So good. I got the window down so my air won't be blowing on y'all. But good, it's not that hot outside. Put some mayo on my fry. They asked me if I want ketchup. I should have, but I didn't. I normally don't like to order food when the line is not long, but it's better when you go inside. You get better service. Wanna buy it? Y'all, I thought that was pickles. I thought that was pickles. Those are peppers. But they so good though. They have a little spike to it. Go to Burger King and get the double Texas burger. You're gonna love it. 10 out of 10. Everything is fresh. Everything. Just just watching traffic. How did everybody Labor Day go yesterday? A lot of people barbecue. Sweet tea. Sweet tea so good. Big nasty slouchy bite. I love me a big nasty slouchy burger. It's messy, y'all. Time is running down. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I'm gonna want my bite. I'm gonna want my bite. See y'all later. You get my picture.